Thank you, Nata, for your speech. Now we will listen to the fourth speaker from Team Mineral. Rizia, you have 7 minutes to present your case. Your time starts now.
There has been a growing trend of restriction and bans on plastic bag use worldwide. By May 2018, over 127 countries have issued regulations limiting their use. A more than therefold increase over the last decade. The latest address are Jakarta, the capital of Indonesia. The second largest polluter of plastic was into the ocean, and Japan, which ranks second for volume of single-use plastic packaging per person. On July 1, but Jakarta and Japan banned the use of free plastic bag at checkout countries. This resolution in Jakarta and outlet prohibition and Japan such are important step by pollution towards shifting away from a linear economy in which resources are often used once and then destroyed. They so indeed decrease the number of plastic bags that end up in landfill, bulk sewer system, spoil or landscape, decrease into secondary microplastic pollution, and kill wildlife. They might also raise environmental consciousness among consumers, despite the good intentions of plastic bags that are problematic for a few reasons. When they are not the largest source of plastic pollution, plastic waste is indeed a very serious problem. Humans use as many as 1 trillion single-use garbage, about 128 per person per year. The total for a single-use plastic manufacturer at 1 million tons per year. Think of the 19 kilograms of the planet. However, the lab's research so plastic bags make up only a fraction of marine debris in the water of Greater Jakarta. In Arctic, plastic waste and sex constitutes just over 30% of all debris items found and 80% of their weight. In Japan, plastic shopping bags account for only about 2% of all plastic waste produced in the country. Moreover, while plastic bags are visible to us all, we need to remember that what is eaten is often more harmful to the environment than the bags themselves. For example, products with heavy plastic packaging and container can be managed more than the bag, or consider the actual item from plastic cleaning software to have milk imported strawberries to soda in an aluminum can. No thanks. 2. Consumers might need towards alternative evidence from perfume plastic bag restriction, so this does reduce their use, but sometimes leads to more environmental harm if customers switch to other material with lower resource footprint. Paper bag can require 400% more energy to make not to mention the harvesting of drugs and use of toxic chemical in production, growing cotton, wetland, high quantity of water, chemical fertilizer and pesticides, plastic bag, use fossil fuels, a non-renewable resource, and are permanent. Entering the western forever, they may cause more pollution and land and in the water world, but have less effect on climate change and then use the other types of bags, biodegradable bags, perhaps sufficiently could be the worst option in terms of their impact on climate change to soil, water pollution, and toxic emissions. In the end, the discussion on the type of bag becomes about with particularly environmental issue tax security. Three, consumers who feel good about not using plastic bag may do more harm in other words. Research in physiology have observed people often harm the environment when they try to save the planet. For example, they may burn more of a product like grocery because they are labeled as eco-friendly. This will lead to the concept of compensatory behavior. For example, people might feel that since they don't need to consider the extra meat they add to it, or because they work instead of driving to the store, they deserve to buy an extra bit of clothing. Sometimes compensatory action takes the form of attempt to account for previous harm. For example, buying carbon offset for flying make a passenger feel good, but from an environmental perspective, it is less justifiable than not boarding in the first place. The current article regarding plastic bag use may create people mental
Thank you, Rizia.